Welcome to Democritus, John Dalton, and the story of atoms. Look around you. Have you ever wondered what the world is made of? Well, if you have, you are not alone. In fact, did you know that everything around you is made of tiny pieces, like super tiny Lego blocks? But they are so tiny you cannot even see them. Today, we are going to talk about two very amazing scientists. Their names are Democritus and John Dalton. These scientists helped us to understand that these tiny pieces are called atoms. It all started a long time ago, well over 2,000 years ago. You see, there was a very intelligent and inquisitive Greek scientist named Democritus. He had a big idea. He asked himself the question, what if I kept cutting something like an apple into smaller and smaller pieces? Eventually, I would get a piece so tiny I could not cut it anymore. He called these tiny pieces atoms, and atoms means uncuttable. Pretty cool, right? The problem was, back then, people just did not believe Democritus because he could not prove any of it. So his idea stayed just that, an idea. Now let's fast forward to only about 200 years ago. Another scientist named John Dalton came along. He also was very curious and wanted to figure out what everything around us, like trees, rocks, water, and even you and me. What is everything made of? Dalton found clues that proved Democritus was right, and everything really is made of tiny atoms. He even discovered some new, super cool things about atoms. His first big discovery was that everything is made of atoms, like Lego building bricks that build the world. They're just super tiny. His second big discovery was that atoms of the same thing are all alike. For example, all gold atoms match each other. And a third big discovery that John Dalton made was that atoms can join together to make new things. Just like how we snap Lego bricks together to build different things, they are all awesome things just like atoms. And atoms can combine together to make new things like water and even air. John Dalton's ideas helped scientists to understand how things work and how combining atoms can create new things. And that is exactly why we are still talking about him today. So, thanks to the scientists Democritus and John Dalton, we know the world is made of tiny, invisible building blocks called atoms. Isn't science just amazing? See you next time.